Hi, how are you doing? Well, today we are going to discuss about some of the most common pronunciations that we have in English, right? These are what you call, that's basic pronunciations. So, let me just say regarding these pronunciations. The first one is the ing. In English, I know that some, not some by the way, there are many people, right, who pronounce the ing with g sound, right? There is no g sound in English, right? But rather n sound, which is a nasal sound, right? Whenever you just hold your the whole of your notes, right, you can't pronounce n, n, and m, or what you call ng ending or ing ending words, right? For example, now to make sure that that's to exactly segregate or know this ing or maybe ng or n, so you have to test what I'm saying right now. Just first of all, just hold the note of your mouth. Your note. Hold it, the holes of your note. So you can't just pronounce all ing and ng, m and n, which means when I say all ing ending words, right? All ng ending words, you can't just pronounce them in this whenever you just hold the holes of your notes, right? So now let's say it together: m, n, ng, or ing, which means just let's add the base words, right? Learn plus ing, learning, right? There is no learning. Don't say g. Say learning, right? Writing, reading, dancing, mocking, jumping, laughing, writing, speaking, blah blah. You can mention whatever. And also at the same time, ng ending words like loan, salon, ng, right? You can take another word by the way if you want. And m, letter m and n, since they are what you call nasal sounds, right? Nasal sounds. Their place is here, right? Whenever you just, hold the holes of your notes, you can't say them correctly. Why? Because the air goes from the holes, right, from our notes. That's why you can't exactly or correctly pronounce whenever you just block the holes, right? So my point here is I'm just saying how they are pronounced, right? N sound, right? All ing ending and ng ending words. Learn, reading, right? Speaking, say like that, right? Not g, which is absolutely incorrect. Please believe me. Okay, the second part is the unstressed or unpronounced e. Whenever e comes at the end, right? Which means the normal letter e, the normal letter e that you know. I'm not talking about the IPA 1, International Phonetic 1. I'm not talking about that one. I'm just talking about A, B, C, D, E. I'm talking about letter E. Whenever letter E comes at the end, always make sure that it is it's not pronounced. It means never pronounce the unstressed E, period. So what's the significance of writing E when it is not pronounced? Let me tell you the secrets. The secret here is when you can just look my first video that I've done on basic pronunciation. You can just refer that. You can just take a look. That's one. Okay, so whenever the E comes at the end, since it is not pronounced, but rather it gives the first vowel to have a long vowel sound. For example, sight. In the word sight, S-I-T-E, E is not pronounced. If it is pronounced, so how it has to be? Sighty, right? Yeah, if it is pronounced, but it's not pronounced. It is cancelled, it is deleted completely, but it gives the first vowel to have a long vowel sound, which means for the I. Sight, S-I-T-E, sight, right? But what if we don't have E? Sit, right? S-I-T, sit, period. Clear. So if you do have CVC, which means just remove the forget the first consonant. I mean that S in the word sight, S-I-T-E. Let's begin from consonant vowel I, T consonant, and then E, right? If you do have such kind of formation, which means vowel, consonant, and then vowel, when E comes at the end, right? So in this context, the first vowel is elongated. But if you do have consonant, vowel, consonant, like in sit, S-I-T, so I is not elongated, which means it is pronounced with a short vowel sound. What is meant by a short vowel sound? A short vowel sound is the normal letter that you know is not, that's elongated, but it is shortened when you pronounce. It is pronounced with a short vowel sound. For example, whenever I say sits, right, and then sight, the same I, right, the same letter, sight, I, but which is long. It's pronounced with a long vowel sound. And sits, the same letter, which is I, which is pronounced with a short vowel sound. The difference is when E comes at the end, it gives the first vowel to have a long vowel sound. That's the basic difference. Okay, since you can apply this formula to words which have one syllable holders. Of course, sometimes it can be applied to a long syllable holder word, right? You can apply to those words also. And then the basic pronunciation, one of the basic pronunciation is majorly, as I've already said, that's the ing or ng plus the unstressed or unpronounced or unuttered E. So this is all about what I have to say regarding the basic English pronunciation. So you can just follow my channel in order to get detailed information, or maybe of course lesson regarding pronunciation. Not only pronunciation, by the way, of course on basic grammar and pronunciation lessons. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for your attention.